how to set age guidelines for your Roblox game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the maturity rating for any game you've created on Roblox. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And while I'll be doing this on a PC, you can follow similar steps within the app on your iPhone or Android phone, so it'll work on any device. So to get started, simply navigate to roblox.com, log into your account, and then select Create in the top menu. This will bring you to the Creator Hub, and what we want to do in the left menu is select Creations, then find the creation or game that you've made that you want to set age guidelines for. So I'll just do this one right here. Once I open it up, it says this experience isn't playable because it has no content maturity label. So scroll down in the left menu once you get to the game, and you want to go to Audience, and then Maturity and Compliance. Select that. From here, I recommend reading through all of this information here, but basically you're going to go through a questionnaire where Roblox will ask you information about your game, and then based on the answers that you give to their questionnaire, they will give you a maturity rating. So scroll down once you understand this and select Start, and then go through the questionnaire. Once you're done, as you can see, it'll give you a content maturity label. While you're going through those questions, you want to make sure that you're very honest because it can get your account banned or your game deleted if you do not answer them correctly. So once you're done, go ahead and select Submit. Now when I open up the game on Roblox, you can see that it now has a maturity rating of minimal. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.